Joy Roby,
Yes.
I want you to explain to me one more time exactly what a cosmic joke is because I think I like it, but I'm not sure because I don't quite get it yet.
Okay. Well, a cosmic joke is something that the universe gives to you. It's like the universe plays a joke on you that you find really funny when you think about it afterwards.
Okay. I find a lot of things funny.
Because that's because you're constantly in a state of cosmic jokes.
So, can you give me an example of a you mean a cosmic joke like okay, the other night we looked up a restaurant on whatever that app is, Yelp, and it took us to one way and it was actually the distributor.
Right. It was the manufacturer of that
Right.
product.
And then we went
And we
all the way
wanted to go to
back
their bistro,
we wanted to go there. Then we went all the way back to the bistro, which I called.
which was 25 minutes away. Yes.
And I called them and
Yes.
said, "Do you have indoor seating? And do you have room? And do you have all this?" And we got there and they said, "No, that's not the place that, no, we're all sold out tonight.
No,
We're
no.
booked."
What they said was, they said, it's Valentine's Day, and in order for you to come to our restaurant today, you need to have a reservation, and we were booked solid 2 weeks ago.
And we all laughed about that.
Well, and then I said, but that's not what you told my friend who just called you 10, 20, 30 minutes ago, and we immediately came over here. You said that we didn't need a reservation. And they said, who did she talk to?
And I said, "A man."
And that didn't really fly.
I didn't. And then I looked on my phone to find out the number and I called them again. And their phone did not ring. That was the cosmic joke. Was that the cosmic joke?
No, not
No.
quite. Because
Okay.
then we got in the car and we thought, okay, well, it's Valentine's Day. Probably everywhere is going to be booked up. So we went right back to the same restaurant that we ate at the night before last.
Because we found out the person that I called initially was not an actual restaurant. They were just a brewery. And that didn't really work for us.
So that's kind of a cosmic joke because we were driving all over the place to get to someplace fast before the restaurant filled up. And then when we finally got to the restaurant that was actually where we started from, remember what happened?
What?
There was only one.
Oh, I do remember.
All restaurants you have to eat outside. We're in California right now, and there's propane heaters. But at this particular restaurant, there was only one heater. Remember?
And we got it.
That's
the
a cosmic joke.
Oh! Although not everybody laughed at that cosmic joke.
That's because they weren't driving around all over hungry trying to find a place to eat on Valentine's Day.
I think we need to have all of our listeners, all of our subscribers to the weekly message write in the chat window below what they think the cosmic joke is in their life.
Or tell us a cosmic joke that you've had recently and type that into the comments below.
Okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe we'll learn what a cosmic joke is.
I think I need to understand it a little bit more. Namaste, y'all.
Namaste.